Good morning, guys. So, as I said yesterday's class, that will be solving problems. As I said, I will be solving one or two sums on one formula each. Okay. Now let's see the first sum. I think here a little bit shadow of light will be visible for you. It will light shadow concept to look at. So I'll read it out for you. Calculate Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness. Calculate Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness. What will be given? Same thing. X will be given, F is given. So I have written it. Discrete data is given. So this is discrete frequency. X column and F column. If you see here, because this is discrete and all frequency numbers are individual, single, unique error, one of the numbers say this. So we can calculate this by using the mode formula, x bar minus z divided by standard deviation. Now what is the formula for x bar? X bar is equals to summation fx by n. Standard deviation is equals to under root summation fx squared by n minus summation fx by n square. If you want, you can use U method also, that is U in the sense deviation method also, but we have done as of direct, you can try it for deviation method. So now what is summation fx? So this is x and this is f. 6 into 4, 24, 12 into 7, 84, 18 into 9, 162, so 24 into 18, 30 into 15, 36 into 10, 42 into 5. So if you add all f, you will get how much? 68. If you add all fx, you will get 1722. So we have written the same. 1722 by 68 is equals to 25.32. Next we need what? We need standard deviation. Formula is already written here. So now give the values. For this, what we need still, what is missing? Fx square is missing. So this column I have written here. Fx square is there. So 6 into 24 is 144. 12 into 84 is 1008. As you remember, I had already informed you, I have already explained to you, fx square is nothing but fx into x. So that we have done, fx is already here. Fx is here. For this fx we are multiplying again it with x. One the column ಹೊಡಿತೈತಿ x square ಹಚ್ಚೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು x square ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. So as I said, 24 into 6 is 144, 84 into 12 is 1008, 162 into 18, 2916, 24 into 4, 32, 30 into 450, 36 into 360, and 42 into 210. Add all this, you get 49716. Substitute that here. Summation fx square, 49716 divided by n value is 68 minus fx by n whole square. Fx value we have calculated here 1722 divided by 68 whole square. Now we have already found this answer 25.32 right here 25.32. So divide 7916 divided by 68. If you divide it you get 731.118. Square this number you get 641.102. Subtract these two, it will be 90.016. So square root of 90.016 is 9.488. We have to calculate mode. So mode is equals to value of x corresponding to highest frequency. So in the table or in the values given, which is highest frequency? 4, 7, 9, 18, 15, 10 and 5. 18 is highest frequency. So for this 18, what is the corresponding x value? 24. So 24 is the mode. Now substitute these three values 1, 2 and 3 in this formula. X bar minus z divided by standard deviation. So what is x bar value? 25.32. 25.32 minus z. Z value is how much? 24. 24 divided by standard deviation. How much is standard deviation? 9.488. So 9.488. So if you subtract this and divide by 9.488, you will get 0.139. Now if you remember what we are missing, one line there, you write one line. What? Because the answer is positive, plus 0.139. So we have to write as coefficient of skewness is positive. As coefficient of skewness is positive, the distribution, the distribution is positively skewed. The distribution is positively skewed. This last line carries 1 marks. This is 5 marks question. This is not 10 marks question. Okay, they will not ask this for even. They will not ask this for 5 marks also. They will not ask this for 10 marks also. This is somewhere in between question. So there are other sums which will be asked for 10 marks. If I am not visible in the board, don't worry. I will be here only. I will not be gone anywhere. Okay, if I am out of the frame, no problem. You can hear my voice. So this is one sum on x bar minus z divided by standard deviation. So next I will show you how to do it with median. Okay, how to do it with median. Okay, wait for a second. I will come with next sum. Calculate Karl Pearson's coefficient of skewness. Okay, now as you can see, this is a perfect 10 marks question. So to this 10 marks question, what all you need? Now let us see the first two columns. First C and F. Concentrate F 10, 40, 20, 0, 10, 40, 16, 40. How much times 40 is coming? 40 is coming 2 times. So you cannot do this sum by mode formula. That is, Karl Pearson coefficient is equals to x bar minus z divided by standard deviation. You can do that. You cannot do this sum by that formula. We have to use median formula. 3 into x bar minus z divided by standard deviation. You have to use this formula. Why? As I said, because mode is ill-defined here. Means frequency column there are 2 40s. So which 40 will you consider as mode? Okay, you cannot decide it. At that time, we will use this formula. Now for this formula, we need median to calculate it. So x bar and standard deviation, you already know it. So because the numbers are big enough, so we will go for step deviation method. So I have written LCF here already. Frequency is here. I will show it to you. 10 plus 40, 50, 50 plus 20, 70, 70 plus 0, 70, 70 plus 10, 80, 80 plus 40, 120, 120 plus 16, 136, 136 plus 15 is, sorry, 14 is 150, and if you add this also, answer is how much? 150. So LCF is over. Next is U, or you can club these two and directly you can write it as U dash. So we have taken A is equals to 35. Where is 35? Here. So if A is 35, 5 minus 35 is minus 30 divided by 10. Why 10? I have written here. Class interval size is how much? It is 10. So it will be minus 3. So minus 20 divided by 10, it will be minus 2. Here it will be minus 10 divided by 10, it will be minus 1. So similarly 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it will be 20, 30 and 40. You can club these two and make only one column. Okay, see, I'll show you how it will remain same. You can remove this column. If you want, let it be done. You can remove this column and you can take only one column, that is U is equals to x minus 8 divided by c. You can write directly. Now we need f u dash. So u dash is here, f is here. 10 into minus 10 minus 30, 40 into minus 2 minus 80, minus 1 into 20 minus 20, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 10 10, 2 into 40 80, 3 into 16 48, 4 into 14 is 56. Now to add this, first you need to add these 3, then 1 2 3 4. You need to add these 4. Here we will be getting minus 130. Here we will be getting the plus answer, minus and plus. Finally you will get how much? 64. So this is fu dash and fu dash whole square. Now we have got fu dash. We need to multiply by u dash once again. Minus 30 into minus 3 is plus 90. Minus 80 into minus 2 is 160. Minus 20 into minus 1 is plus 20. 0 into 0 0, 1 into 10 10, 2 into 80 160, 3 into 14 144, 4 into 56 is 224. Add all this, you get 808. Now we will come to the calculation part. X equals to a plus summation f dash by n into 6. So this is, I hope you remember the formula to calculate x bar by using step deviation method. A value is 35, we have written 35 plus fu dash is 64. We have calculated here, answer is how much? 64 divided by 150 into 10. So 35 plus, if you simplify this, you will get 4.267. Add it, so 35 plus 4.267 is 39.267. Next is standard deviation, fu dash whole square by n minus fu dash by n whole square into c. Fu dash whole square, here this column answer is 808 n divided by, how much is n? N is 150 minus 64, we have calculated here, see, 64 divided by 150 whole square. So 808 divided by 150 is 5.387. 64 divided by 150 and whole square, we get 0.182. And this 10 is outside the root, not inside the root. Remember, this C is outside the root, not inside the root. So 5.388 minus 0.182 is 5.205. Remove the root of this, you will get some answer. Multiplied by 10, you will get 22.81, or root of this will be 2.281 into 10 will give me 22.81. 22.81. Now we have to find out median. So to find out median, what are the steps? N by 2 we have to do. 150 by 2 is how much? 75. So which number we have to take here? Which number we have to take? 80 in the column. 80 is here. So this class 70 is nearer to 75. But see, as I said earlier, we have to take higher and greater. So this is my median class. What is this? This is the median class required. Now, this is the F and this is the CF. Okay, so that we have written here. L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into C is equals to, what is L value? 40 plus n by 2 value 75. CF value minus 70 divided by 10. So this 10 and this 10 get cancelled. What is 75 minus 70? 5. 75 minus 70 is 5. So 40 plus 5 is equals to 45. Now coefficient is equals to, use this formula. Use this formula. Okay, by using this formula, put the values at 3 into 3. 39.267 minus 45 divided by 22.81. First you do this, multiply it by 3, then divide it by 22.81. Repeating once again, first always solve the bracket, multiply, then divide. So you will get minus 0.754. Because you have minus sign, you have to write this statement, or even though you have to write that statement, even if it is positive or negative. As coefficient of skewness is negative, the distribution is negatively skewed. So this is a 10 marks question. If you have not understood, please go through the video once again. Please go through the video once again and do the sums as much as possible, because this is a 10 marks question. So I am ending this class here today with this formula. There is one more kind of formula. I'll be doing it in my next class, and by finishing that, only sums on kurtosis will be remaining. I'll take those kurtosis sums also in my next class. So next class will be only Bowley's coefficient of skewness and on kurtosis. Thank you.